In this video, we'll be taking a look at some of the best side hustles to start in 2025. These side hustles can be done by anyone, and some don't even cost money to start. So, let's get straight into it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Take a look around your house. Are there any items or clothes you no longer use? Well, you can sell them. It's quite simple. Gather your inventory. Choose a platform to sell your items. It could be eBay, Depop, Facebook Marketplace, or Poshmark. Take high-quality photos of your items and market them well. Research shows that part-time sellers make around $500 a month, while dedicated full-time sellers with an inventory can make $20,000 a month. It's one of the most simple side hustles to start, as there is no startup cost. If you're really committed, you can expand this side hustle even further by buying thrifted or partially used items and flipping them for a profit. Think of any skills you may have. It could be coding, or maybe editing, or writing or marketing. The skills in which you possess can help you make some money through freelance work. The opportunities are basically endless. You can easily offer your service to clients online through websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. And the best part is that it is flexible and usually may align with your career or passion. For example, if you're a developer, you can take side gigs and help develop programs for companies. Or maybe you're a writer and can use your writing skills to start content writing for YouTube channels. Freelancers in the United States may earn $99,000 a month, with salaries ranging from $31,000 to $275,000 annually. So, where to begin? First, you need to identify your skill and service you want to provide. Then build a professional portfolio. Create a profile on a freelancing platform, like the ones mentioned. Apply for jobs that match your expertise, and finally make sure you deliver high-quality work and build your reputation. You can also promote your portfolio and work on apps like Reddit or LinkedIn. Taking surveys is a simple way to make some extra money online. It takes no upfront investment or special skills. You simply register with a website like Swagbucks or Survey Junkie and start taking surveys in a matter of minutes. This is a good side hustle for people still in school. Some survey sites have an age minimum from 13 to 18, depending on the site. These websites may pay users to share their opinions and participate in market research. So make sure you have a stable internet connection if you want to consider this side hustle. Here's a breakdown of how it works. Users will complete surveys, polls, and product tests. They will then earn points or cash for completing surveys. These points can be used to redeem cash, gift cards, or other rewards. But be aware, some survey sites are created by scammers and cybercriminals who want to steal personal information. When looking for surveys for money, be wary of sites that ask for too much personal information. I want you to think for a second. Have you ever wanted to create an application? Well, if you're a creative person and have an idea for an application, you can develop one yourself and sell it on the Application Store or Google Apps. Now you're probably thinking to yourself that you need to hire a programmer or agency, but you don't actually need to. You see, there are sites like AppyPie which help you create applications, websites, and chatbots. Apps generally make money through in-apps purchases, in-apps advertising, sponsorships, and affiliate links. Consumers clearly love to use apps, so the opportunity is there. Research shows that 90% of time spent on mobile devices is in apps. When building an application, always ask yourself why you are building it and what value do you want to provide. Maybe you want to sell a product to your audience, or provide a service to your customers, or maybe you want to solve a problem. You can be as creative as you want. If you decide to give this a try, you should consider branding your application. Adding branding to your apps is essential for creating a strong and memorable identity, and can help you market your apps to increase revenue opportunities. If you have a passion for writing and there's a particular topic that you're knowledgeable about or interested in, then starting a blog can be a great way to earn money online. What exactly is a blog? For those of you who may not know, a blog is a type of website that's centered around posts, which are individual entries that may include text, images, and videos. You might ask yourself, why would somebody want to share information about their lives, their hobbies, or their business with strangers on the internet? The truth is that people love to read blogs, and the massive popularity of blogs has made them one of the very best marketing tools. So, where would you begin? Firstly, you need to choose a niche or pick a topic. This is what the blog will be about. Once you've done that, you'll need to select a platform. Choose a blogging platform with customizable options such as WordPress. Next, you need to pick a domain. I would advise you to choose a descriptive name. Design your blog. Make sure you include imagery and effects that reflect your theme. You can start with a free theme. Promote your post by using effective marketing strategies to expand your reach and audience. Connecting with social media like Instagram and YouTube are great ways to promote your blog. Once all of this is done and you've started posting, make sure you engage with your audience. Build trust by interacting and sharing ideas with them. Finance blog Millennial Money reports that bloggers can make up to $100,000 annually if fully dedicated with large traffic. Within the first year, bloggers can make around $500 to $2,000 per month. Blogging is a great side hustle to start if you're good at writing or have some spare time on your hands. Now, this side hustle is pretty straightforward. If you have a talent for photography or videography, you can sell your work online through websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or iStock. The process is quite simple. You produce high-quality images, submit your content to the platform, and once someone downloads your video or photo, you'll earn money. You can even more if you refer customers. There are a few tips if you want to consider this side hustle. Upload regularly. The more you submit on a regular basis, the more visible your content will be in search results. Have an organized portfolio. Make it easier for customers to discover your work by grouping your content into sets. And finally, know what's in demand. Follow current trends and see what the people want. This side hustle may require you to have a good camera and possibly a good video editing software. Domain flipping is the action of buying a domain's name at a low price and selling it for profit. This can either be a flexible side hustle or a full-time business that can generate consistent profits if done correctly. Similar to real estate, domain flipping is like buying a house for cheap and selling it for more. A domain name is a unique string of characters used to conveniently direct people to a website. So, to access one, you need to register it. If the domain name is available, you can buy it outright. The process is as follows. You'll research trending topics or keywords to help identify profitable domain opportunities, in which you then purchase the domain name through registrars like Hostinger or Namecheap. Once that is completed, you'll build a portfolio of valuable domains and sell your domains on auction sites or marketplaces like Flippa or Sado. Finally, market your domains on social media or a targeted audience. Now, you may ask yourself, why would someone want to buy a domain? For the most part, the motivation is profit. Domains are incredibly valuable pieces of online real estate. For example, the most expensive domain name, cars.com, sold for a staggering $875 million. Your potential earnings could skyrocket if done regularly, with full-time flippers making $100,000 annually. Have you ever heard of digital products? They're basically goods that exist in a digital format. So what you can do is sell them. Create and sell items like ebooks, templates, and printables. The great part is, once created, digital products can be sold repeatedly without additional production costs. This making them a scalable side hustle to start. The first thing you'd need to do to begin is to find your niche and decide what digital product to sell. It may be music, digital art, software, or maybe audiobooks. It's completely up to you. Once you've decided, you need to create high-quality content and choose your starting platform like Etsy or Gumroad, or maybe even your own website. It's also important to understand your market as well as your audience. Finally, promote your digital product through social media or networking. The online e-commerce industry is worth trillions of dollars, and it's only going to continue to grow. So why not give it a go yourself? You'll need design tools to design your digital product. I would recommend Canva, as it is free and has a lot of customizable options. If you're looking for a place to sell the product, then Selfie is a good option. It's very ideal for creators and online businesses, with creators earning over $142 million while using the site. Thank you for watching. Remember, the best time to start is now. So let me know which side hustle you're going to give a try. Also, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.